Here's something about this. Yung mga negative na words kasi, sabi nga nila, pag bit mo isang bagay na negative, every minute parang sobrang gaang lang niya, but habang tumatagal, bumibigat siya. So, let's do that now. On a scale of 1 to 10, yung pen na yan, on a scale of 1 to 10, if that is a feather, mga gaano kabigat yan?
1.
Mga 1. Okay. Go like this. This is 1, yes? Now, try to associate na yung pen is actually your negative word. Now, focus on the last letter of your word. It's A, yes?
Mm.
Kaya kanina sabi mo 1, tapos nung nag-start siyang bumigat, mga ilan yun kanina?
Hindi siya masyado bumigat.
Hindi pa siya bumibigat. Okay. Magano siya kabigat ngayon?
Sobrang bigat. Parang mga 8.
This is becoming 8. Now, this time, try to associate the pen as your word, your negative word. It's really getting heavier. In fact, habang tumatagal siya, parang mas lalong bumibigat. Now, shadow po tayo rito. Pwede mo place this hand like so. From 2, tas naging 8 sabi mo. So, try to lift up your hand. Baba ulit. Sige.